What did the Israelis do on those communities? They covered those communities with something like 300,000 wild pine trees. The wild pine trees that they used were imported from Europe. They are invasive trees. They are useless. And they replaced like the indigenous pine trees that we had in Palestine. Actually, pine trees that require 15 to 20 years to grow, and they produce like delicious and healthy nuts. So that's not what the Israelis want. They wanted something aggressive and invasive to cover up as much of the land as possible. So what are those pine trees useful for? They are useful for settler colonialism in the sense that pine trees destroy the surface soil. So the land is no longer good for seasonal agriculture and no longer good for your animals for grazing. So Palestinian way of managing the land was killed by covering that land with pine trees. The second thing is like it's a very dry environment in Palestine. Those wild pine trees are native to Europe and Northern Europe and wetland and frozen land. In Palestine, it's dry most of the year, so they are useless primarily like for large, massive bonfires. So every year, the Palestine has like wildfires going on, and Israelis will be like, "Oh, why do we have those wildfires? You have wildfires because you cover Palestine with dry wood.